What's your name?
Finn.
Whisper. What's your name?
Finn.
Whisper.
Finn.
What's your last name?
Bell.
Where do you live?
My place is blocked from the pier.
You have children home?
Ah!
You punk! You know what board color what? You know what they are, or you don't know what they are.
I know.
Listen, I know. Listen, I know your name. I know where you live. I can find you, and I got you like a fish. I pull out your inside and make you eat them. You hear me? I make you eat them. You be here tomorrow morning. Head down with board cutter and any kinds of food, or I'm gonna kill you for sure. Got me? I kill you. If you tell anyone, your forks.
There.
Oh. If you tell anyone, the last sound you will hear will be your own scream. Alright? Go!